But, so how do you look at being data driven? I mean, it sounds like a lot of, and rightfully so, like a lot of what you're doing is like questioning assumptions, looking at the numbers and seeing what the numbers actually say versus what, you Google and then
Right.
find out. So like how much focus do you put on the data part of the business?
Yeah, that's a lot. And I'll tell you, even listening to me, I wouldn't believe a word that I say. Everything is about testing always and retesting. I hate, for example, industry averages. What are the industry average whatevers, click-through rates or whatever? I hate that because you're your own brand. You're in a sub-industry. You're going after a certain type of customer. You're a certain type of offer, certain type of brand, certain type of everything. Industry averages for anything are completely meaningless, in my opinion. And anything that you hear in a podcast like this or anywhere else, I think it's all about getting ideas that you can test. And then you want to create your own benchmarks. I always think about data as being like a swimmer or a weightlifter, right? I don't care what other companies do. I'm just trying to beat myself, and I want to benchmark everything and even benchmark within benchmarks. So if you think about email, for example, people make the mistake, oh, our emails get, this click-through rate and this open rate and this response rate, and this is email, right?
Yeah.
And that's ridiculous. Same thing for social media. Our social posts get this many engagements, whatever. Wrong. You want to bucket them because within them there are buckets, right? So you have, what type of emails you send out? Transactional emails, promotional emails, email newsletters, onboarding, welcome emails, social posts. Maybe you're doing, something, you're promoting a new piece of content. Maybe you're promoting a webinar. You want to take them all, put it into different buckets, and then you want to benchmark the performance within those buckets, because the reaction to your email newsletter is very different than the reaction to when you're promoting a webinar or a new sale. So you want to benchmark within each category and then beat yourself as best as you can every single time. And we are testing every single day.
Yeah. Yeah. I love that. And I love the idea that, we're kind of here to provide some ideas and not prescriptive, right? I mean, there's too many details to just throw something out and
Totally.
say that it applies to everybody, right? Yeah.
Always.